Hey, hey, hey. Hey, man, thanks for tuning in, man. We got the Ezgo gas car here with a Kawasaki engine. I'm just going to show you how to troubleshoot a gas car that doesn't run. Beside your battery, you're going to have a black cover here. But I already has a 3/8 bolt in it. Take that off and that cover come up. And down there is your solenoid, your regulator, and your relay for your coil. Now, the first thing you always want to do is you always want to check battery voltage. Very first thing. And what you want to do is you want to put your meter on volts DC. That's V with a straight line. Then you're going to take your black lead and put on the main negative, the red lead on the main positive. Now, don't just assume you have battery voltage now. You want to hit the gas, put the battery under a load, and if it drops down to anything below 9 volts, charge your battery up. Now, for all these tests, we're going to leave the black lead on the main negative on the battery. Beside your solenoid down here, there's a fuse holder that comes off your main positive post on the solenoid. You want to check your fuse, make sure it's good. If you have no voltage there, you'll have it nowhere else. You can pull your fuse out and look at it, or you can just test it with a voltmeter on the very tip of it. It's got 2 openings. You want to make sure that you have the same battery reading on both sides. If one of them don't have the same battery voltage reading, then you got a problem with the fuse holder or the fuse itself. But you can see there you got 12-12 on both posts, so that shows you the fuse is good. Now, when it leaves the fuse, it comes over to the F and R switch. All right, leaves the fuse on the red wire, comes to the F and R switch. And you can look at the F and R switch, and you'll see a post that has 2 wires on it. The one that has 2 wires is the one where the wire comes in, the wire goes out. The individual wire is just for the reverse buzzer. What we're going to do is unplug the green wire, which is the return from the pedal switch. So whenever you hit the gas, it should show 12 volts going to it and then 12 volts going back. If it doesn't show 12 volts coming back from it when you hit the gas, replace your pedal switch. If it doesn't show 12 volts going to it, then you know you got a problem with your fuse holder, or you have a problem with a wire, that one single wire going there. Now you can see I'm going to hit the gas and we have voltage coming back from it. If I had no voltage coming back, then like I said, check your micro switch. Check your wire end up here to make sure your wire ends are good. Because even though the fuse holder looks good, they're bad for where the fuse holder plugs into the other harness at, it goes bad. Now from there, the green wire goes to the key switch, green, comes back on your blue wire. Because the way this car works is backwards. They send voltage to the pedal switch first and then to the key switch. So you have to verify you have voltage at the pedal switch first. Now here, I'm going to put it in my blue wire, which is my return from the key. I'm going to turn my key on. And you can see when I turn the key on, we have battery voltage. If we don't have battery voltage here, then we know we got a problem from the wiring from the pedal switch and up. If you have no battery voltage there, then check your key switch and the wiring because it goes to the pedal switch first. We've already verified that. And then from there, we're going to plug it back into the solenoid and verify more voltage next. And then you want to take your black lead of your meter. And you have to be very careful with this here because if you touch the lead of the meter to the positive, you'll blow a fuse. All right. You can see it down here, the solenoid. Small post. You want the black lead on the black wire. And the red lead on where the blue wire is at. Alright, hold the phone up. Shine the meter, I hit the gas. When you hit the gas. And what we're doing here is verifying voltage to the small post on the solenoid. If you have voltage like this on both sides of the solenoid should click. If it don't click, replace the solenoid. But an easier way to do this is, man, you could take it and on your solenoid you have 2 big posts. You could jump the 2 posts together. Now, at that time, the cart will turn over. That doesn't mean that, but let me say this first. You see that bracket right there? Don't touch that with your wrench because it will spark because that's a ground. If you jump the 2 big posts together and the engine turns over, that doesn't necessarily mean your solenoid is bad. All right? The way you test that is jump it and then hit the gas. If the engine cranks up and runs, then your solenoid's bad. Because if you jump the two big posts, you're just bypassing the solenoid. You're not actually checking it to verify voltage. When you hit the gas, you actually send voltage to the small post that engages it. That's how you know it's bad. All right. So if you hit the gas, jump the two big posts on the solenoid, it cranks up, replace the solenoid. If you jump the two big posts on the solenoid and then hit the gas and it don't crank up, it just turns over. Don't replace the solenoid. You got a wiring problem going to the solenoid, so it's not feeding the blue wire of small post hot voltage, so it's not firing up your coil. So it tells the relay to kill the ground for the coil and allows the coil to fire. All right. So let me verify that again. If you jump the two big posts on the solenoid and you hit the gas and it cranks up, replace the solenoid. If you jump the two big posts and hit the gas and it don't crank up, don't replace the solenoid, because that means you have no voltage on the blue wire. So therefore it's not engaging the relay to kill the ground to allow the coil to fire. All right. I just want to tell y'all that another way to do it, man. And like I said, man, I appreciate all y'all, man. Let's build this page back up like we did the other one, man. This is y'all's community as much as it is mine. Let's build this page up like we did my other page before some idiot hacked it. All right, man, y'all stay tuned, and always remember, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. And also, man, this is the same as my other page is, man. For $45, you dial 843-595-1611 or shoot me a text. It'll send you back a way to pay. Once you pay, I'll reach out to you from my personal number, and then we'll get your golf cart running, man, if you have any questions. Always remember, man, the motto of this page is one part only, man. There's nothing worse than I don't like seeing is seeing people throw in parts at a golf cart, man. Don't throw the money away. If you want to throw it away, send it to me. All right? Or donate it to a charity. On this page here, we don't throw money away, man. We fix your problem. All right, man. Hey.